my name is Sherry and welcome to Learn English with Sherry. We are going to continue with the series on pronunciation of the vowel sounds. In this installment, we are going to focus on the short E vowel sound. So let's get started. The short E vowel sound is actually one of the most difficult vowel sounds for many non-native English speakers to be able to produce and also to be able to discriminate between the short E vowel sound and some of the other vowel sounds when they are listening. So let's take a look at some pronunciation tips. The short E sound is a relatively relaxed vowel sound. The middle of the tongue rounds slightly upward, and the sides of the tongue may lightly touch both the top and bottom side teeth. The lips and jaw are loose and relaxed. So let's try it. Eh. Feel the sides of your tongue and where they are lightly touching the sides of your teeth. Eh. Okay, now let's try some words. We have egg. Egg. Now you try. Great. Now remember, the lips and jaw are slightly relaxed. Egg. Okay, let's try a sentence. How do you take your eggs? How do you take your eggs? Now let's try it a bit faster. How do you take your eggs? How do you take your eggs? I like my eggs scrambled. All right, let's move on. Now we will try a word that has the short E vowel sound in the middle position of the word. Ten. Ten. Okay, now let's try a sentence. He had the strength of 10 men. Remember, He had the strength of 10 men. And let's try it a bit faster. He had the strength of 10 men. And one more time. You're doing great. He had the strength of 10 men. Wonderful. All right, now let's try another word. Fester. Fester. Now you try. Excellent. Now let's try a sentence. The wound began to fester. Great. Okay, let's try that sentence a bit more quickly. The wound began to fester. Okay, are you ready to try it a bit faster? Yes, okay. The wound began to fester. Perfect. Okay. Now, in our next installment of this video series, we will focus on the short I vowel sound, which is pronounced like I. Okay, remember, practice out loud, listen to your production of the word, and then compare it to mine. You can do it. Be patient with yourself, and see you next time. Bye.